Welcome to Alex Kids Fun! Today, we're going to show you an easy-to-do paper towel magic trick. First, you need to get your paper towel. You fold it in half. And then you draw a simple shape, like a circle. And then you transfer it to the other side by opening it and folding it again, but in a different way. Next, you trace the circle you drew. Then you can unfold it and draw some details, like some eyes, a smile, and a nose. For our magic trick, we will need a tray, some water, and some paper towel. Oh, and also some marker. First, we will pour the water in the tray. Are you ready for the cool magic trick? See my circle? Once I put it in the water, it becomes a smiley face. Are you ready for some more magic tricks? Let's see what we've got. It looks like a triangle and a half circle. Let's see what happens when we put it in the tray. It's an ice cream cone! Well, that was unexpected and yummy. Let's see what's next. Let's see what our next design will be. A square. That's interesting. Let's see what we will get. A bunny! It looks like Easter is coming soon. I love shapes. They're so magical. Let's see what the next one will be. Wow, a triangle. Let's see what it will become. A snail! Wow, that's so cute. First, I see a silly odd shape. Now, I see a birthday cake. Looks tasty. First, I see a diamond. Diamonds? I love diamonds. Let's see what our diamond will become. Now we see a turtle. Are you ready to see my designs, guys? Yay! Well, first, I have a triangle. Next, I put it in the water and it becomes a cake. Are you ready for some more magic? Well, now, instead of one triangle, I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. What became a flower? I have a heart for you guys. Please like and subscribe. We love you. Okay, let's see what it'll become. A heart cookie and some confetti raining. What other shapes do you guys know? Well, now I have a circle. First you see a circle. Now you see a sun with some clouds around it. First, I drew for you a balloon. Next, it's lots of colorful balloons. Well, this looks like a potato with a hole. Potato? I'm hungry. But before you eat it, we need to see what reveal it is. Oh, looks like it's actually a dog. Aw, but I wanted a potato. I'm hungry. Now, get your own paper towel and start creating. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. What do you think this one is? Ice cream? More ice cream? Nope. A car! With pink tires?